So one of the coolest accessories for the KitchenAid standing mixer is the shave ice attachment. Don't think it's new, but it seems to be gaining popularity over the past year or so. This is the device right here. It looks like a thermos. Honestly, it's kind of strange looking. It's larger than you'd expect, and it is a big white sort of plastic thing with a gripper at the bottom. It has the standard attachment that plugs into the accessory port, whatever you call it, on the KitchenAid mixer. It comes with some accessories that look like this. They're all a little bit plasticky, but it actually works really well. The kit is really light on accessories. You basically get one extra blade with the safety on it, which is smart. 4 of these. This is just what you put in. You put water or whatever liquid in there, you put it in the freezer. It's like a kind of a flexi plastic. It's not silicone and it's not a nylon. It's some sort of plastic, but it works well and it doesn't make your ice smell, which is important. And then you get this. This does have a blade in it. So you do have the extra blade, and this is the housing. You only get 1 of those. So 2 blades, 4 ice holders, 1 housing, and 1 of these things. And then the unit itself is what you get in the set. So this is actually the main piece to it. You can see it's just this cup that holds your like ice puck, and then a little bit of a razor blade type thing on the bottom. It is screwed in place into the plastic, and basically it gets the piece of ice and it twists it, I guess with this here, and it twists it around, and it uses that little razor to shave the ice into your bowl or cup. So it's really easy to get this thing going. Basically, you unscrew this part and you take off the cover here. You get the shave ice attachment and you plug it in like this, line it up, tighten it down. Now you have your shave ice unit right here. It has an arm right here that actually twists the ice, and this thing is spring loaded so that it wants to hold down. So you keep it up like this until you're ready to shave your ice. You get the ice, you pop it in here. We'll do that later. Line this piece up with it in the unlocked position, turn it to locked. When you want to shave your ice, you will turn it here. This will lock the block into place and spin it, pushing it down against the blade. The ice will fall out here into your bowl. When you're done, pop it back up, unlock it. There'll be a little piece of ice left. You dump it, and that's it. It's pretty brilliant and works surprisingly well. Okay, so when you feel like having a shave ice, it's very simple. You get your puck out of the freezer, pop it open. Usually have to run a little bit of water on it to get this thing loose. Okay, get this, you put this in here. Get this piece, line it up with the lock. You get your bowl, put it under here. Then you pop this piece down. This will drop the black piece we saw before. Turn your mixer on. Run out of ice pretty soon, pop it out. That's what's left over. It's all clean now since it was just ice. Here is the ice itself. Probably want to get a spoon and kind of tamp it down. It tends to be on the dry side, so it's not exactly what you'd get at the, the shave ice stand or the Italian ice stand, but it is a nice consistency. And I don't know that freezing it any differently makes any difference. Just this is the consistency you get. Again, it's a little bit on. It doesn't pack quite how you'd think, but it's quite nice. Then you get your syrup or your mix, whatever, and you pour it on there. Again, and you could have, instead of using normal water or ice to begin with, you could have frozen something flavored. That, how you handle it is up to you. This is cassis or red currant syrup with some water in it, and you get a nice shave ice just like at the store. Again, it's not neon blue, but you could put whatever flavor you want in it. And making it more or less liquid will determine how much of it gets to the bottom and how flavorful it is and how bright the coloring is. This is quite nice. This is pretty much how I take it, but it'd be easy enough to add more flavoring to it. And that's it. That's how you use the KitchenAid Shave Ice tool. It's a very cool attachment. Highly recommend this one.